We'll guide you through how to fix the media offline issue in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the media pool where you should check if your clips are showing the dreaded red media offline message. This usually happens when the original media files have been moved or renamed. You'll need to relink these files. Go ahead and right-click on the offline clip, then select Relink Selected Clips. A File Explorer window will pop up. Here, you can navigate to the folder where your original media files are located. Make sure you select the correct file that matches the offline clip. Once you find it, click Open and DaVinci Resolve should automatically relink the clip and remove the media offline banner. If you're dealing with multiple offline files, you can choose Relink Clips for bin from the same right-click menu and point Resolve to the folder containing all your media files. This method is faster as it will try to match all the files in one go. If this still doesn't work, check if your media files are in a format supported by DaVinci Resolve. Sometimes, converting them to a more compatible format like .mov or .mp4 can solve the issue. Remember to save your project after making these changes to ensure your clips stay linked. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.